Good day everyone, I'm Japo Limino, and for today's presentation, I will be discussing the electrical angle grinder, particularly in the application in cutting, grinding, and cap brushing. In this presentation, I will discuss its definition, importance, principle of operation, major parts, accessories, functions, safety procedures, inspection before use, proper attachments of accessories, maintenance, advantage, limitation, and application. I will also discuss the proper safety practices that should be followed when using a portable power tool. And now let's proceed to the introduction. An electrical angle grinder is one of the commonly used portable power tools in different industry. It can be used for several operations depending on accessories installed. For example, cutting disc can be used for cutting metal. A grinding disc can be used for smoothing surfaces, and cut brush can be used for removing rust and other unwanted materials. Because of its versatility, it is commonly used for constructions, metalworking, automotive repair, ship maintenance, and manufacturing. And now let's proceed to the importance. The electrical angle grinder is important because it makes many tasks faster, easier, and compared to doing them manually. It can remove excess material, cut metal, smooth road surfaces, and clean metal surfaces. It also helps improve productivity because one tool can perform different operations by simply changing in attachment. However, even though it is useful and powerful, it must always be operated correctly because the rotating accessories can cause serious accident when improperly handled. And for our definition, electrical angle grinder is portable power tool that operates using the electronical power. It has an electronic motor that produces rotational movement. This movement is transferred to the spindle where different accessories can be attached. The most common accessories used with an angle grinder are the cutting, grinding, disc, and cap brush. Each accessory has a specific purpose, so it is important to use the correct attachment for the intended operation. And now, let's proceed to the principle of operation. The basic principle of electrical angle grinder is the conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy. When the grinder is connected to the power source, switch on electrical energy power in the motors. The motors then produce rotational motion causing the spindle to rotate at high speed. The accessory attached to the spindle follow this rotation. Depending on the accessory, rotating motion can be used for cutting, grinding, or cleaning. This is why to selecting the correct accessory. It's very important for safe and effective operation. And now, let's proceed to the major parts of electrical grinder. First is the motor housing, which protects and contains the motor. Next is the power switch, which control the operation in tool. And the third is side handle, provide additionally control and help operator hold the grinder securely. And the next is spindle, is the rotating part where the accessory is attached. The next is guard, provides protection from sparks, debris, and parts of rotating accessory. And the next is power cord, supplies electrical power to the grinder. And lastly, the lock button helps secure certain components during accessory installation or removal depending on the grinder model. Let's proceed to the main accessories, which is the cutting disc, grinding disc, and cap brush. This cutting disc is designed from cutting materials. And next, the grinding disc is designed for grinding and removing materials. And the cap brush is commonly used for cleaning metal surface and removing rust, stains, or corrosions. And the bridge nut helps secure the accessory to spindle, while the spanner wrench is used to tighten or loosen the nut. During accessories change, the accessory must always be be compatible with the grinder and rated for the correct speed. Now, let's proceed to the function of cutting. The first major function of angle grinder is cutting. When a proper cutting disc is installed, the grinder can be used to cut materials such as metal bars, pipes, and steel plates. It may also be used for certain tiles and masonry materials when the correct disc and grinder are sustainable for application. During cutting, the operator should avoid forcing the grinder into a material. The tool should be controlled properly, and correct disc should be always be used. The next function of grinding. The second major function is grinding. Grinding disc can be used to smooth out metal surfaces and remove excess material. It can also be used for preparing metal surfaces before welding and for certain shaping tasks when the appropriate accessory and technique are used. The operator should maintain proper control of grinding and allow the grinding disc to perform the work instead of applying excessive pressure. The next is function cup brush. The third function is cup brush cleaning. A wire cup brush is attached to the grinder and mainly used for cleaning metal surfaces. It can remove rust, old paint, dirt, and corrosion from stable metal surfaces. Before using a cup brush, the operator should inspect the brush for damage or loose wires and make sure it properly secured. Proper protects equipment is especially important because the brush can release the particles during operations. Before using electrical angle grinder, proper safety procedure must always be followed. First, for the appropriate personal productive equipment such as safety gloves or face shield. Gloves is stable for the task, hearing protections, appropriate work clothing. Next, inspect the grinder, power, cord, and accessory, and make sure the work area is clean and remove flammable materials from area, especially because grinding and cutting can produce spark. The operator should be also make sure that the correct accessory is used for the intended operations. Now let's proceed for next, which is the inspection before use. Inspect before use is important to identify possible problem before operating the tool. Check the power cord and plug for damage. Inspect the switch and make sure it operates properly. The guard should be securely installed and positioned correctly. The cutting disc, grinding disc, or cup brush should also inspect for damage, excessive wear, or other defects. The accessory must be properly rated for the grinder speed. If any components damaged or unsafe, the grinder should not be until the problem is connected. Let's proceed to the proper attachment of accessories. Before changing or installing an accessory, the grinder must first be disconnected from the power source. Select the correct accessory from the intended operations. Install the accessory properly on the spindle and make sure the latch and locking nut are correctly positioned. Use the appropriate wrench to secure the accessory according to the manufacturer's instructions. After installation, or check that the accessory is secured and properly aligned before operating. Never use accessories damaged or not complete with the tool. Now let's proceed the correct connection to power source. The grinder should be connected only to a stable power source according to the manufacturer specification. Check that the voltage of the power source match the requirements of the grinder. Inspect the plug, power cord, or extension cord. If no one is being used, never use damaged electrical cords or plugs. The work area should also be kept dry and organized to reduce electrical tripping hazard. And before connecting grinder, make sure that the power switch is the correct positions. And for our safety during operations, the grinder should be held firmly with both hands whenever the tool design allows it. Maintain the stable position and keep a safe distance from the rotating accessory. Do not remove the protective guard because it is important safety components. Do not force the grinder or only excessive pressure. Keep other people away from the immediate work area, especially when spark or particles may be produced. After finishing the operations, turn off the grinder and allow the accessories to stop completely before placing the tool down. Now let's proceed to the storage and maintenance. Proper maintenance and storage can help keep the angle grinder in good working condition. After use, clean the tool and remove accumulated dust or debris. Inspect the guard, switch, and accessory regarding worn or damaged accessory should be replaced. The grinder should be stored in a clean and dry location away from moisture. Following following the manufacturer maintenance instruction is also important because different models specific maintenance requirements. For advantages, these are several advantages to using an electrical angle grinder. First, it is portable, so it can be brought to different work location. Second is versatile because different accessories allow to perform cutting, grinding, and cleaning operation. Third, it can save time and effort compared with manual methods. And thus, it also useful in many industries, making it an important tool. And next, limitation. Despite its advantages, the electrical angle grinder also has limitations. It can produce spark, dust, and noise during operation. Its accessories can wear out and need to be replaced. The tool also requires proper personal protective equipment and safe working procedures. Another limitation is what proper use or using the wrong accessories can damage the tool or create safety hazard. Therefore, proper training, inspection, and adherence to the manufacturer instruction is very important. And next is applications. The electrical anger grinder is used in many different industries. In the construction industries, it can be used for cutting, grinding, stable materials. In shipyards and ship maintenance, it can be used for metal surfaces, preparation and maintenance tasks. In automotive repair, it can be used for metal cutting, grinding, and surface cleaning. In metal fabrication, it is commonly used for preparing and finishing metal components. It is also used in manufacturing plants for different maintenance and fabrication operation. And for our conclusion, to conclude, the electrical anger grinding is a versatile portable power tool used mainly for cutting, grinding, and cup brush cleaning. It has electric motor procedures, high-speed rotation that allows different accessories to perform specific tasks. However, proper operation is just as important as knowing its function. Before using the grinding, the operator should be inspect the tool, use the correct accessory, connect in proper to the power source, wear appropriate PPE, and follow the manufacturer's safety instruction. With proper inspections, operations, maintenance, and storage, the electric angle grinder can be used efficiently and safely in different work environments. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening. And for my reference, I use information from Occupational Safety and Health Administration or ORSA, particularly its safety standard for aggressive wheels and portable power tools. I also use official instruction manuals from DeWalt and Makati.
This manufacturer reference provide information about the proper use, parts, accessories, installation, and safety procedures of angle grinders. This reference helps support the information presented in this report, especially the safety procedures, inspections, accessory, installation, and proper operation of the tools. And that's all presentation everyone. Thank you for listening.